Okay, so I'll give a quick update. I mean, that's just kind of spaghetti right now, but I tried running the pump with the pressure regulator, which I just got in, to keep the pressure built up for running the hydraulic system. This is what it is. There's different types, but this is the one I got. It's the same brand as the hydraulic block and the pump. So basically, it just keeps the pressure up so you can run your hydraulics, and the excess pressure when it builds up goes. The pressure pushes past the spring, allowing it to flow back into the reservoir tank. The problem I came across is this little motor here does not have the power even close to keep the pressure up. It fried very quickly. So 30 amps, and this little motor is not enough. Couldn't even build the pressure up at all without it struggling, and then it fried. So I just ordered one that is the same brand as the previous motor I had that I cooked. This one's actually pretty strong and torquey. It would have worked too if I had the pressure regulator and it plumbed properly the first time. So I got one that's, instead of a 9, I got an 800, and I got a 60 amp power supply to go with it. And it should be good. These are technically helicopter motors. They're usually a bit torqueier than the standard stuff. It's a little bigger, probably around the same size as this, and it should be able to power the system fine, since that's what it came with originally, and it was originally supposed to run with these little, it's all the same brand, that little hydraulic pressure relief valve. So once I get this, the new one comes with a new 60 amp power supply, it should run fine. And for some reason, that's still not enough, and things aren't quite working the way I want. I actually found a skateboard-powered motor. I found a motor that's supposed to be run on a skateboard. It's very large, and I can modify things to give it as much power as it possibly needs. I'm hoping I don't need to do that. I'm hoping this will do what it needs to do. This is a 9. The new one will be an 800, but it's the same brand. It should work fine, being double the power. Everything else, and a lot more torque to be able to drive the pump and be able to get that pressure built up to about 2.5 to 3 bars. And then once it builds that pressure up, it'll bypass and go through back to the tank, and then will not deadhead. So that keeps that pressure up where it should be. So that's what the thing is. Like, the problem is I had a motor that was just way too weak to actually handle it. So, and new stuff should come in soon. The speed controller's coming in a couple days. The motor is taking a little bit longer to get in here, but no big deal. Just a little update, let you guys know what's going on. Alrighty.